since I believe that a change needs to be made. Okay, anyway, so here is a starting statistic. As you can see, America is near the top of the chart for most obese. I would like to raise awareness on the topic of child obesity. Here's a statistic. Sadly, 1 in 4 children is in the New York City public school system is overweight. Obesity is very lethal, though unfortunately not as feared as homicide. According to statistics, it's actually one of the more common causes of death. There's an estimated 300,000 deaths a year. Although it is very dangerous, it has a cure, unlike some other diseases. The cure is simple. There are countless actions you can take to better your body. Today we will discuss a few of those issues. Laszlo will talk about the incredibly fattening school lunches that schools give throughout America every day, along with fast food. And Kees will explain the lack of sports in a children's everyday life. Even if you're not obese, you can make yourself much thinner and healthier with these advices. Another people's statistic, 1 in every 3 people is obese, but we can change that. Now, Laszlo will come up.
Hi, my name is Laszlo, and I'm going to be presenting to you about obesity in the United States and how unhealthy the school's lunches are. So, as you can see in this picture right here, it shows a thing of orange juice, a carton of cornbread, crackers, and cereal. So if you look at the chocolate milk, which is right here where the laser's pointing, it has about 22 grams of sugar, and that's more than we want. And not only that, it's sweetened with high fructose corn syrup, which can make us more heavy than even real sugar. So many people say, oh, school lunches are supposed to be healthy, and I think they should be, but a typical school lunch is burgers and fries, which isn't very healthy. Some would argue that there are healthy choices in the school lunches, but due to unhealthy food exposure, students don't select the healthy choices because they have developed unhealthy eating habits. As I was talking to you about before, about the chocolate milk, here's the ingredient statistics about it. So, where the laser's pointing, there's low-fat milk, and right there, high fructose corn syrup. Here is a chart about obesity and high fructose corn syrup. The number of Americans who are obese have quadrupled in recent years, a study shows. At the same time, high fructose corn syrup consumption has risen at parallel rates. These are many things we consume every day. What? 7-Eleven Slurpees, Skittles, what is that? Oh yeah, ice cream, bread, cheese stuff, peanut butter, grape spread, I don't know what that's called, chocolate milk, and McDonald's milkshakes, so much sugar. And schools claim that they serve healthy things, like salad, but the kids don't eat it due to unhealthy food exposure outside of school, like McDonald's and other fast food places. And look how much sugar is in a McDonald's milkshake. That's like, I'm guessing maybe 20 cubes. An earlier reference to what someone else said earlier ago, I think Liam, if he said that you would never order a typical beverage with that much sugar in it, but we drink them every day. We're just not aware of how much sugar is in them and how bad they are for us. And no wonder the kids in the picture are obese. And now it's Kees' turn.
Hello, my name is Kees Johnson, and I'm here to talk to you about obesity due to the lack of sports and exercise that Americans get. We all love watching that Sunday football game or the Yankees play the Red Sox and eat a hot dog with friends, but really, do you ever actually go out and play these sports? Unfortunately, many children do not. When given the opportunity, it is likely that they will pick up a PlayStation controller and a Madden game as opposed to a real football. Most kids feel that playing a sports video game is a substitute for actually going out and playing sports. Sports keep your body fit, you healthy, and is a productive pastime. As you can see in the diagram, over 1 million people bought Madden 10 in the opening week and spent hours at a time playing. This leads me to say that 30.6% of America is obese. You can do small physical activities to stay healthy, such as climbing stairs, not eating junk food, walking the dog, trying to work out, and stay away from too much television. You can even limit the amount of soda or 1 bag of chips every week. It may seem insignificant, but it can make a difference. In addition, ObesityDiscussion.org states that children that exercise and play sports have better eating habits. This is due to the fact that adolescents need more healthy foods to keep their body going, and this is important when participating in physical activities and sports. Exercise is also the key to keeping a healthy body and mind. And now to Aviv to wrap everything up.
So, to wrap it up, as you can see, obesity is bad, as clearly stated here. And here on the side are actually some complications of obesity. So, it's dangerous. It contributes to the number one killer, heart disease. Obesity can make you depressed, you can get made fun of, and you can't do many physical activities. And you are vulnerable to heart disease, along with many other things. There are many factors: lack of exercise, junk food, harmful school lunches, and the fact is that kids can be rather lazy when it comes to eating. I really hope that you can take these pointers into consideration and understand that this is a problem that needs to be addressed. So hear me out and help stop obesity. If you see an obese person that wants to change themselves, don't tease, be supportive, and tell them these tips that were mentioned. Making fun of these kids may make them feel bad about themselves. Just saying. Kids don't choose to be obese. They're just, out in the world today, they have so many things that cause it. We have lots of video games and lots of unhealthy food and lots of great video games to play. It's kind of hard to avoid this. You have to really work at it. And if you help us on our quest, we can change America for the better. Thank you for listening.